Hi everybody, welcome to an edition of Yo on the Go. Now I've been talking about the Cobb Tuner and its ability to modify and change the engine. It's really good because it's a good analogy actually for leadership. It's a good analogy for your career in that we need to be versatile, right? We have specific tracks, career tracks that we're on, but we also need to be available to change tracks completely, to be able to walk around that parameter space and be able to choose different careers. I think if a choice of staying in one particular position versus moving on to something else that's completely different, I would choose the completely different thing. The reason is that you have access to a completely different way of thinking, a completely way of working, different people, and all of the changes in your work style gives you the ability to see things from a different perspective. And I think that boundary spanning ability is very crucial, not only in your capabilities, which will only get you so far. Afterward, it's really your relationships and how strong you are to be able to tie in that enterprise view. That boundary spanning capability, that's what we need to develop after a certain point. So as I said, in the first season, we talked all about how to improve your performance. On the back half, your performance matters only so much. The rest of it is really that relational thing, because as you become a leader, your relationships are the most important thing. Your integrity, your honor, extremely important. Your capabilities, not as important. And again, it's not to say that you don't have capabilities or you're incompetent. It's that your capabilities do not need to be the best in order to be the best leader. So I hope that helps you in thinking about how to modify yourself. Get a tuner, and that tuner really is a coach, somebody who knows, has experienced this. Typically coaches like that, like in the boxing realm, typically are in their 50s or 60s. They've been around the block, they understand that. Find one of those coaches or mentors where they know where the shot is, where they know what happens when you get punched in the face, how to get up, how to pick yourself up from difficult situations, and be able to glean some information from them. I'm actually looking forward to meeting with a coach that I have who's just retired from the industry a few years ago, and the time just spent talking with him about my concerns or my experiences has been so helpful. So I hope that you can find somebody like that. If not, let me know and we can try to pair you up with people. These are very important aspects of your career. It's not just mentorship, but having a good coach that's seen all the hard things and hard knocks in life. So I hope this was helpful to you. Until next time, bye.